Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can set up an emulator for VS Code. For that first install VS Code and then set up an emulator. If you want to learn how to install VS Code, you can refer the link in the description of this video. Okay, after that, to set up, go to start, type VS Code and open it. After opening it, you need to install an extension. Okay, so here is the extension section. Click on it. Type Android and it will show you an extension for, here it is, Android iOS emulator. This is what we want. Click install. Herein you can see the features. It will select and run your emulator from VS Code. Okay. Click install. So we have installed it. Okay, go here. Type emulator. Click on it. Now the emulators will be visible. Android. Okay, right now Android emulators are visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily set up an emulator for VS Code. Thank you for watching the video.